Hello, and welcome to the ACCSP's Assignment Tracking Application video tutorial for super users. The topics in this section include state data edits for the APIS and FHTS, and raw data for the APIS and FHTS. The State Data Edits page contains the communication of edits between the ACCSP and state coordinators found in APIS, or the Access Point Angler Intercept Survey, and the FHTS, or the For-Hire Telephone Survey, data. At the top of the page, there are year, wave, and month filters to narrow down these edit communications. As a state lead with the user role of super, you're able to view and access APIS or FHTS LPTS data edits by expanding the drop-down menu next to State Data Edits on the left-hand navigation menu. Each week, the ACCSP runs SAS data check programs for both surveys to identify potential edits and intercept, assignment, and survey data from the previous week's APIS assignments and FHTS surveys. At the top of the APIS Data Edits page, there are filters for year, wave, and month to narrow down edits displayed on this page. Data edits should be addressed continuously on a weekly basis throughout each month. To address a data edit and provide corrections, click the MRIP ID hyperlink to then open the Raw Data Review of Assignment Intercept Details pop-up page. If the error description in the comment from the ACCSP is related to intercept level data, you should then click the associated ID code hyperlink to display the full intercept details within the Raw Data Review of Intercept Type 2, Type 3, Type 9 Details page. See the Site Assignments topic video on how to submit a state change request. At the top of the FHTS Data Edits page are filters for year, wave, and week to narrow down the edits displayed on this page. To address data edits and provide corrections on a FHTS survey, click into the state response field of that survey's row and provide the information necessary to resolve the issue. If the ACCSP comment is asking you to confirm data for the survey, you may then click Yes or No under the State Confirmed column. Once you have completed your response to the comment, select the Apply Changes button to submit the comment under confirmation. The raw data page includes completed survey data from the APIS or the Access Point Angler Intercept Survey assignments and FHTS or the For-Hire Telephone surveys. At the top of the page are filters for year, interviewer, wave, and month. To access the raw data review for the APIS or FHTS LPTS survey, you are able to expand the drop-down menu from the left-hand navigation menu. As a state coordinator with the role of super, you're able to access all data from both surveys within your state. Data review is expected to occur on a regular basis throughout each month. On the main page of the APIS Raw Data Review page is a table that summarizes assignment details. To expand further assignment information for a single assignment, click the magnifying glass icon in that assignment's row. To review all the assignment details and intercepts for an assignment, click the blue control number hyperlink. Once clicked, a pop-up window will appear displaying tables including the scheduled assignment summary, completed assignment details, and intercepts on that assignment. To submit an assignment level change request, click the change request icon in the completed assignment details section. See the Site Assignments topic video on how to submit a state change request. At the top of the FHTS or the For-Hire Telephone Survey Raw Data Review page are filters for the interviewer, year, and week. The review of FHTS data is expected to occur on a regular basis each week throughout each month. To view the calls pertaining to a specific survey, click the View Calls hyperlink in blue text. A pop-up window will appear displaying the call information connected to the survey. To view data from a specific survey, click on the FHTS ID hyperlink. Once clicked, a pop-up window appears containing tables including the non-fishing trips, FHTS log sheet, LPTS or Large Pelagic Telephone Survey log sheet, LPTS fish caught, LPTS tuna, billfish, shark responses, and FHTS LPTS other values. To submit a change request, click on the Change Request button associated with that row. Please see the Site Assignments topic video on how to submit a state change request. Additionally, on the Raw Data Review pages and throughout the ATA, there is the Actions button. Once clicked, the menu appears allowing you to customize what is shown on the page with various options including Select Columns, Filter, Rows per Page, and Reset. The Select Column feature allows you to modify the data items that are displayed. Here the items on the right in the Display and Reports section are currently visible, and the items on the left in the Do Not Display section are currently hidden. To add a column to the current page, click on it so it's highlighted in blue, then click the right arrow. To remove a column, click on it, then click the left arrow, and then click Apply. The new column is now visible with the associated data on the page.